Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hana Paskariani. Now I want to presentation about my scientific paper, and title is The Influence of Content Marketing Toward Purchase Intention of Shopee Application User, Survey on Shopee Application User in Jabodetabek. First of all, I want to explain Chapter 1, the background of the problems. Chapter 1, Internet user in the world by 2021 reaches 4.6 billion people, which means about 60% of the world's population has used the internet. This shows that digitalization is growing rapidly and all daily activities involve the internet, which indirectly becomes a new habit in society. Based on HiSeed and VR Social Research in 2021 internet user in Indonesia reaches 202.6 million people out of the total Indonesian community of 274.9 million people. This means the percent of internet user in Indonesia reaches 73.7%. This figure grew by 15.5% for a year, only with an increase of 27 million people. Based on 2021 data, the percent of internet user in Indonesia aged 16 to 64 years old who each have a type of device. E-commerce growth in Indonesia is dominated by retail sales from various categories. In addition to providing various types of product, marketers need creativity and also unique innovation in order to survive and attract the attention of prospective consumers. And the content must also be creative and innovative. Make content that can serve to answer consumer doubts or an addition to consumer knowledge, just like a Shopee commerce does. Shopee is marketplace originating in Singapore and started to expand Southeast Asia in 2015 with the increased number of gadget users. This makes PT Shopee International Indonesian see new opportunities in the field of e-commerce. Based on iPrice analysis, in 2020, Shopee became the first e-commerce with the highest number of monthly web visits at 71,533,300. Shopee managed to rank first from Q4 2019 to Q4 2020. However, in 2021, Shopee was defeated by Tokopedia, which has 129,100,000 visits, while Shopee only gets 120 million visits. And because the average monthly web visitor Shopee decreased, Shopee makes interesting and interactive content marketing to encourage customer buying interest. One of the ways Shopee attract the attention of consumers is by the person of free shipping, cashback, voucher, and interactive games. Because interesting and interactive content is believed to make customers to stay on the website page and encourage buying interest. Formulation of problems. In this research, there is three formulation of the problem. One, how the overview of Shopee application content marketing, and two, how is the overview of Shopee application user purchase intention, and three, does there any influence of content marketing on Shopee application user purchase intention? And research purpose. And one, to know an overview of content marketing from Shopee application, and two, to know the overview of Shopee application user purchase intention, and three, to find out how content marketing influence Shopee application user purchase intention. Chapter 2, Theoretical Study, Purchase Intention. Based on several existing theories, so it can be explained that the notion of purchase intention is this behavior of customers who have a sense of interest in product until finally arises the desire to buy the product in order to have it. Purchase intention dimension, according to Pianza, in Rahmawati and Hasbi, there are four dimensions that can be used to measure purchase intention. There are transactional interest, referential interest, preferential interest, and explorative interest. Content marketing. Based on several existing theories, so it can be explained that the notion of content marketing is a marketing strategy that utilizes digital media to attract consumers by creating a story that contains relevant, informative, useful and consistent content that helps consumers in deciding to buy a product. Content marketing dimension, according to Carr, there are 5 dimensions that must be evaluated when planning to product a content marketing consisting. There are reader connection, sharing motivation, persuasion, decision making, and factor. Hypothesis on this thesis is content marketing positively influences purchase intention. Methodology of the research. The research was conducted in Jabodetabek. The research was conducted in April to May 2021 via Google Form. The research method used in this research is descriptive analysis method using a quantitative method approach. The population of this research was Shopee application user in Jabodetabek, and the sampling method used by research in non-probability sampling that focused on purposive sampling. The number of indicators in this study is 26 indicators, and in multiplied by 5. So based on the calculation of this formula, the number of samples obtained was 130 respondents. Chapter 3. Result of data analysis. Validity test. The result of study indicate that the result of each statement item on the questionnaire are declared valid because the error count greater 0.361, and reliability test. The result of study indicate that the value of Rangeback alpha variable x is 0.924 and variable y is 0.931. So it can be concluded that all statement items in the questionnaire are valuable or consistent. Descriptive analysis of respondent characteristics. Classification of respondent by gender. The majority of Shopee users in Jabodetabek are female, which is as many as 88 respondents of worth 67.7%. And classification of respondent by age. The majority of respondents aged 21 to 25 years, as many as 72 respondents are worth 55.4%. Classification of respondents by less education. The majority of respondents less education with high school, as many as 92 respondents are worth 70.8%. Classification of respondents by occupation. The majority of respondent jobs were student, as many as 84 respondents are worth 64.6%. Classification of respondent by income. The majority of respondents have an income between 1 million to 5 million, as much as 70 respondents are worth 53.8%. Classification of respondent by domicile. The majority of respondent domicile in Jakarta are as many as 46 respondents are worth 35.4%. Statistic descriptive analysis. Content marketing. Descriptive statistical analysis of each dimension of content marketing variable as follows. Video connection. Video connection dimension are well categorized with an average answer of 95.9%, somewhat agree, and strongly agree. Dimension sharing motivation. Sharing motivation are well categorized with an average answer of 87.2%, somewhat agree, and strongly agree. Persuasion. Dimension are well categorized with an average of 97.5%, respondents somewhat agree, and strongly agree. Decision making. Decision making dimension are well categorized with an average of 92.6%, answer somewhat agree, and strongly agree. Factor dimension are well categorized with an average of 94.2%, respondents somewhat agree, and strongly agree. From the four results of descriptive statistical analysis of content marketing variables, content marketing variables are category good with an average variable of 93%, and content marketing determined by the dimension of persuasion and reader connection, and purchase intention. Descriptive statistical analysis of each dimension of purchase intention variable as follows. Transactional interest dimension, where category high with an average of 94.6%, respondents somewhat agree, and strongly agree. The dimension of referential interest, where category high with an average of 90.8%, respondents somewhat agree, and strongly agree. Dimension of preferential interest, where category high with an average of 86.4%, respondents somewhat agree, and strongly agree. Explorative interest dimension, category high with an average respondent answer of 92.7%, with an average answer somewhat agree, and strongly agree. From the overall result of descriptive statistical analysis of purchase intention variables, purchase intention variables are categoric high with an average variable of 91%, and purchase intention determined by the dimension of transactional interest and exploitative interest. Basic assumption test, normality test. The significant value is 0.200 and it meets the normality requirements that exceed more than 0.05, so that it can be concluded that the residual value is normality distributed. And linearity test, seek definition from linearity value is 0.395, so it can be concluded that content marketing has a linear relationship because 0.395 greater 0.05. And simple regression linear analysis, the regression equation for the constant value of the purchase intention variable is 11.423. Meanwhile, the value of content marketing variable is 0.588. This explains that content marketing has a positive influence on purchase intention where its growth value increased by 1 unit, the purchase intention value increased by 0.588. So it can be concluded that there is a significant influence of content marketing on purchase intention. Hypothesis testing. The test, the significant value is 0.000 smaller than 0.05 and the T-con value is 8.057. T-distribution table at 5% significant with a degree of freedom 130, mean 1 equals 128, then the result of the table T obtained is 1.978, so that the T-con greater T table, it can then be concluded that there is a significant relationship between content marketing and purchase intention, which indicates that the hypothesis is acceptable. Coefficient determination, the value or square of 0.336 or 33.6%, the figure contains the understanding that content marketing has an influence on purchase intention by 33.6%, while the remaining 66.4% is influenced by other unmixed money variables such as digital marketing, social media marketing, celebrity endorser, and word of mouth. Chapter 4. Conclusion. First, content marketing variables are well categoric, and Shopee content marketing is determined by a persuasion dimension and dimension of reader connection. And second, purchase intention variable categorized as high, and purchase intention of Shopee user are determined by transactional interest and interest of exploitative. And third, content marketing has an influence positive and significant to purchase intention with the result of hypothesis seek value of 0.000 smaller than 0.05 and the value of the greater the table 8.057 greater 1.978, and content marketing has influenced 33.6% to purchase intention, and the remaining 66.4% was influenced by other unexplained variables such as digital marketing, social media marketing, celebrity endorser, and word of mouth. And recommendation, first, for company, Shopee is expected to be able to maintain marketing strategies through content marketing. However, Shopee still needs to pay attention to the dimension of content marketing sharing motivation because it has a lower percent of respondent answer, so Shopee needs to improve the content that will be delivered. The content delivered should be more interesting, educate, and build good communication for the audience. And second, for the community, users in consuming and also sharing content presence of various business service providers. This is to minimize the absorption of inaccurate or incorrect information and avoid the process of inaccurate goods. And third, for future research suggests discussing other research variables such as digital marketing, social media marketing, celebrity endorser, and word of mouth in order to explore other possible variables in influencing purchase intention. And thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.